Hello guys, good morning. There is Suhail Khalik Pinzari. Today date is 2nd March 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic written types of methods. So let's start. So first is what is method? Method, which is a group of code which take input from user, processed on it, and it takes give output after processing on it. Methods only work when it's called. That is method. So method syntax is: first we write access modifier, after it we write return type, and next one is method name, and after it parenthesis. This is method of syntax. In that method we use return type. Return type is a this return type is two types of return types. First one is primitive return type, and second one is non-primitive return type. In that primitive data type, we use primitive data type when we want to return primitive data from the method. Like primitive data type means, like we use int, short, byte, long, char. That's are our primitive data type. Or boolean, it's also primitive data type. When we use this data type, at that time our method returns method returns a primitive data from on working on the group of code that. And when we use non-primitive data type, at that time we use void return keyword for the non-primitive data type. Void return keyword means it does not give any return value and any return data. So this is data type. For example, we create a method like addition method, and we in that addition method we give two values, a and b, and we perform addition operation on these two values. At that time our result is comes in a integer type. At that time we use return type in that method, and in particular method int return type for this method. And second one is, if we write a array and we want to only print this array, at that time we does not use return type, any return type. We only write here void. This is non-primitive data type, because we does not take output from our method, hence we use void keyword. So this is all about return type in methods. So okay, thank you.